Hey everybody, welcome back to Life with Me. I'm back with another video. Y'all, I just did this get ready with me and I did this face. So I am going to put that video up, so it could be up already or it's going to be up after this. But this video is how I style my sister locks. You know, I have sister locks. I'm 1 month in now and I'm loving life. I have 4C hair. It took my sister locks about 26 hours to get done, and that was the most worth it 26 hours I ever lived in life. Does that make sense? Yeah, I mean it. I love my sister locks. Well, this is my length, and I just do like little easy styles because it's short in the front, but this is just one of those styles. If you want to see how I style it, just keep on watching. Hey y'all.